Hey, we about to cook some crispy air fried chicken. Let's get it.
My name's Keanu, and here on Flavorful Footsteps, I'm gonna be cooking up some fried chicken here in the air fryer. It's gonna be nice and crispy. Not too many ingredients needed. It's a Tuesday. I'm trying to knock this out before the kids and the wife get home. Let's do this. First off, we're gonna get our seasoning. Today, we got some Rotisserie chicken seasoning by McCormick. It has onion powder, garlic powder, and a few other ingredients in there. I ended up adding some umami with some crushed garlic and chili oil. I also added some black pepper. Here in this bowl here, we have some olive oil, about a tablespoon's worth, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now, we're gonna pat this chicken dry, like so, and we're gonna pour about half the seasoning on it and get it nice and ready to go. So now that this is patted dry on both sides, what I want to do is add this to the bowl here with the olive oil and the Worcestershire sauce. We're going to throw about half of this seasoning mix right on top and start mixing and coating everything all together. Get that in there. Get that in there. Boom, boom. About half. Get that in there. Now that we got our chicken here in the bowl here, let's start combining all the ingredients. Don't be afraid to get in there, get your hands dirty. Really give this a good rotation. Make sure everything gets coated with that seasoning, that olive oil, so we get nice and coated. Today on the side with our fried chicken, we're gonna have some white rice and some steamable vegetables. So nothing wrong with cutting corners on the side when you're trying to make a quick dinner. Now we're gonna add the remaining of our seasoning here to our 2 tablespoons of your preferred flour. Today I'll be using whole wheat flour, so use the remainder of that. Put this in the bag here. Then we're gonna add our chicken. Add all that chicken. It's looking nice and coated. Get that in there. Zip that up. And we start shaking it up. Get everything nice and coated with that flour. Once well coated, go ahead and spray your air fryer basket with some non-stick cooking spray. We're gonna put this at 400 degrees for 18 minutes. About halfway through, we're gonna flip it over. Initially, put it down skin side down first. Once we get to that halfway mark, we're gonna flip them things over and finish the cooking process. Once it gets to 165 around the thickest part of the chicken thigh, you should be good to go to take it out and start plating up. Halfway through in the air fryer right now. I cleaned up my mess while we were cooking it. We're gonna open this up really fast and flip these bad boys over. Let's check it out. Okay. Ain't bad, not bad. Let's flip these bad boys over. Wish you guys could smell this. Oh my gosh, I didn't spill chicken juice. Ah! Yeah, flip that bad boy over. Ooh. Flip that over. Flip this over. Alright, I'm gonna finish cooking this in the air fryer for 9 to 8 more minutes. Should be Gucci bandana. See y'all when it's done. Alright, y'all. Chicken just got done. Let's check it out. Okay. Nice and golden brown. If you're in the kitchen and you want to make sure your meat is cooked all the way through, please, I would advise grabbing one of these. The trick is to get into the thickest part of the meat, whatever you're cooking. Try not to hit the bone. And for chicken, you want it to be at 165. We're at 166, 167. Let's try the next one. That one got up to 172. So this one actually is going down. What? So that's telling me that we should cook that for a little longer. This is a thick piece of meat. Yep. So we can actually take one of these or the smaller ones out, but that big boy right there might need to sit in there a little longer. Yep. We're gonna do, we don't want to burn these, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do low and slow. Yeah, that thick one is not ready yet. This one right here, that one right here. These other ones, I'm spilling chicken grease again. But these other ones are a bit smaller, less thicker than this big boy right here. So we're gonna put this back in, put it at 360 for, let's just do 360 for like 4 more minutes. Come on. That should do it. Yo, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave some comments, likes, anything that could be constructive criticism. Enjoy. See you in the next one.